When it comes to content strategy, Frase and Clearscope are two of the most talked about tools, but which one is really more effective for crafting a solid content plan? By the end of this video, you'll know which one works best for you, but there's a twist that might surprise you. Let's start with the basics. Frase is designed to help you streamline your content research and creation by generating AI-powered content briefs. It's great for those who need a quick jump start when writing. It focuses heavily on keyword research, content suggestions, and outlines, which saves you time. But while it's efficient, the level of depth and customization may fall short for some content creators, especially if you're looking to really dive into competitor analysis or search intent. Now, let's talk about Clearscope. Clearscope focuses on optimizing content to rank better. It takes a more data-driven approach, with a powerful tool to optimize your copy for target keywords. Clearscope offers in-depth keyword research and an intuitive content grading system that makes sure you're covering everything you need. However, it's a bit more rigid in terms of content structure compared to Frase. It's more focused on making your content perform rather than helping you generate ideas or outlines from scratch. Next thing, let's compare usability. Frase is built with AI in mind, so its interface feels modern and user-friendly, especially for newcomers. You can create content outlines and get keyword suggestions in a few clicks, making it perfect if you want to quickly kick off a content project. Clearscope, on the other hand, can feel a little more complex. The learning curve is steeper, especially for beginners, but once you get the hang of it, it offers a high level of control over your content optimization. The fourth thing is pricing. Frase offers tiered plans, but the cheaper options might feel limited for larger scale content creators. Meanwhile, Clearscope's pricing is on the premium side, which could be an issue for smaller creators or startups. The question is it worth the investment? The answer depends on your needs. If you're aiming for serious, performance-driven content, Clearscope may justify its price. But if you're just getting started or don't need extensive optimization features, Frase might give you more bang for your buck. Next, let's discuss content quality. Clearscope has a reputation for delivering solid optimization, but when it comes to brainstorming ideas or crafting content from scratch, Frase's AI-driven capabilities might give you a head start. However, Clearscope shines when it comes to ensuring your content is perfectly tailored to search engines. Now, here's where I'm going to be honest. While both Frase and Clearscope are useful, there's a better alternative for content strategy that has been a game changer for me. It combines the best of both worlds, AI-powered content generation and deep optimization without the clunky interfaces and limitations. And the best part? You can try it for free through the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive access and benefits just by using our link. Frase and Clearscope are both solid tools, but if you want something that gives you the edge in content strategy, don't miss out on this alternative. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Check it out now through the link below and see how it transforms your approach to content creation.